What quality control system should pop-up coffee stands use? Pop-up coffee stands should use simple written checks for food safety, drink consistency, equipment cleanliness, and customer feedback. Start with a daily opening checklist that confirms the water supply, power, refrigerator temperature, hand washing station, and food storage are safe. Keep cold milk and other perishable ingredients at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or colder, and use a thermometer instead of guessing. Label open products with a date and discard them according to local health rules, because smell and appearance cannot always reveal harmful bacteria. Use separate clean tools for allergens when possible and record orders carefully so customers know whether drinks contain milk, nuts, or other common allergens. Create standard recipes showing the coffee amount, water volume, milk quantity, ice level, and serving size, so every customer receives a similar drink. Before opening, taste one sample from each important batch, such as brewed coffee or cold brew, and record problems with flavor, strength, or temperature. Clean and sanitize counters, steam wands, pitchers, grinders, and frequently touched surfaces on a written schedule, not only when they look dirty. A useful detail is to track waste and customer complaints, because repeated waste or complaints can reveal a recipe, storage, or training problem before it becomes expensive. One common mistake is checking refrigerator temperature only once, so use a reliable thermometer and write down the reading at opening and during busy periods. Another mistake is treating rinsing as sanitizing, so first wash away dirt with detergent, then apply an approved sanitizer at the correct strength and contact time. Some stands also change recipes by memory, which causes uneven drinks, so keep measured recipe cards beside the preparation area and train every worker to follow them. Do not ignore water quality, especially at temporary locations, because unsafe or unusual tasting water affects both health and coffee flavor. Use an approved source and replace filters on schedule. Finally, avoid collecting feedback without acting on it, so review complaints each week and make one clear process change when a pattern appears. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.